Hi, my name is Jeff with Receptacle, and today I'm going to show you what you get inside of the box when you purchase your 6,000 or 7,000 implant and surgical motor. So I've already opened the outside of the box, and immediately you're going to find another box that has all of your accessories, so let's go ahead and open that. You have a 7,000 power cord, variable foot pedal, instruction manual, AE23 and AE23 pump irrigation tubing, an Receptacle micromotor, hanger rod, motor bracket, motor cradle, and an optional handpiece. With the motor bracket, you can attach the motor cradle to either side of the unit. Simply line up the two screw holes on the back of the console and secure the bracket. The motor cradle slips right onto the bracket and will sit firmly in place. To connect the micromotor to the console, simply push the cord connector in with the red dot on the top. The hanger rod will easily slide into place. Just make sure that it is facing the console. The optional Mont Blanc 20:1 implant handpiece, or AHP 85MBCX, comes with a ruler, depth stop, tubing, Y connector, irrigation body clip, and external and internal irrigation cannulas. A burr must be purchased separately. When setting up the handpiece, I find it easier to start with a depth stop and work your way down. To place the depth stop, pull down on the lever and slide the depth stop in place. Then depress the back of the head to slide in your burr. Make sure that it's locked in place. Use the provided ruler to measure from the depth stop to the end of the burr to get your desired length. The external cannula simply snaps onto the handpiece, while the internal cannula has to be inserted into the back of the handpiece and then snapped into place on the external cannula clip. If you're setting up your handpiece to work with internal irrigation, make sure that the burr you purchase is also designed to be used for internal irrigation. If you wish to use both external and internal irrigation, connect the provided Y connector with tubing to both cannulas. Attach the irrigation body clip to the base of a handpiece. Let's attach the handpiece to the motor and move on to setting up the irrigation. The AE23 tubing will connect your IV bag to the handpiece. Open the pump door by pressing down and pulling up. Slide the tubing in with the spike toward the rear. As you close the pump door, gently pull on the tubing so that the black O-ring is on the outside of the door. Don't forget that the pump will wear out the tubing at this section. That's why spare tubing is included. Using the small clips included, you can couple the motor cable and the tubing. Stretch the tubing like a finger trap to slide it into the clip, then connect it to the handpiece. If you want to use only one type of irrigation, disconnect the Y connector and attach the irrigation tubing directly to the internal or external irrigation cannula. As you join the irrigation tubing with your IV bag, Make sure you do not do it over the console, as spilled liquid could damage the unit. The 7000 motor is the premium dental system for implant, surgery, and endodontics. Please do remember to read your manual before you start working, and don't forget to check your tubing for wear. Thanks for joining us, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to call us at 1-800-426-5913 or visit www.aseptico.com.